it's Kinessa here. Welcome everyone. So I went on a little shopping trip to Walmart and I headed to the clearance section to see what they had. But on our way, Mr. Oracle and I saw some school supplies, so we just grabbed the kids some some folders. I got her one that said, "Born to be a unicorn." She has it in her room, so I'm not going to grab it, but that one was 50 cents. And then they make us get plastic folders for the kids now, I guess. But that one was blue, and then I got her a pink one, another pink plastic one, which was $2 for some reason, but they were both on clearance. And then I got them some, pencil pouches. I thought that was so cute. Pink, black, and white polka dots. And then, just a sharpener and neon glitter glue. There's 5 different colors, and it was $2.77 on clearance. She loves to make slime. The kids in their slime craze nowadays. And all 3 zippers are functional. Just have some pencils in here, and that's it. And then I got myself one. I think it was $2.88. Flowers. And there's 2 zippers because I wanted, room for like my notions and things. I organize and know where everything's at. So here's the one pouch, tape measure, row counter, scissors, things like that. And then in the big one is all my hooks. Okay. I actually made these with polymer clay. I got the idea from Sara sach. But you just get some polymer clay and you roll it into little like snakes or canes. Roll it into a little like a shape like this, and you stick the hook down onto it. And then you roll it, make sure there's no like fingerprints, you roll it on the surface, and then you just bake it in the oven. This one was a little more advanced for me because I had just started, but I made a flower cane. They're supposed to be roses. See, there's a good one. And I cut it up and I stuck them all over here and made it flat. So there's just a few different colors. They're all different. I tried to make them go with the color of the hook. But that's that. And then I got, we do a lot of baking here, so I got some cupcake liners for 75 cents. And then I got, in the clearance bin, I found some fabric. One was $2.97 and it was reduced to $1.11. It's peach and 5/8 yard by 44 inches. And the next one was $3 reduced to $1.05, and it's pink with white polka dots. 21 by 44 inches. And the last one was $3.97 reduced to $1.59. and it's blue with white checkers and 2/3 yard by 44 inches. And of course I had to check out the yarn. There was quite a few new yarn there that I had never seen before at this Walmart. So I took some pictures and I'll put them at the end of the video so you guys can see. But my Walmart never had Ferris wheels before, so I had to pick one up. I've never had these before, Lion Brand Ferris wheel. Whoops. And it's so soft, you can see it. Look. You can just see the little fuzzies. And it is machine washable and dryable. It was $3.97 for 3 ounces and 85 grams, or 270 yards, or 247 meters. And it's called Vintage Carousel, the color. Oh, I just love it. Look at it. It's just beautiful. So I got 2 of those. And, oh my goodness. I wanted to show you guys this because Mr. Oracle's parents went on a little vacay, I guess a cruise to, they stopped at a few different places, and one of the places was Haiti. Now, they said they used these bags as like shopping bags. Everyone got one. When you bought something from there, you got one of these. I just thought that was amazing because all the work that goes into these, look. Is that not amazing? Carlos, Haiti. It says. On both sides. This is like, it's amazing to me. Oh, I'm just a klutz today. Look at the handles. And then it's like sewn on with vine or something. It's woven palm. Look at it. I just thought that was so cool. So they got them, the girls, some dresses. Stretchy top. Look how gorgeous. Look at that. It's a flower. And they're little, little shells. That was my eldest, and this is the baby's dress. And they both have little slits on the side. Cute. Right? How cute are they, right? I just had to show you guys that. As for whips and finished objects, I don't have much because I have not had time to do anything with, you know, my little one being so cranky. But here's something. That's a whip I'm working on. And this is the makings of a rug. It is t-shirt yarn that I made. You know, just cut up an old t-shirt and cotton yarn. It's a tutorial that I saw where you just hold the t-shirt yarn around and around and around, and you single crochet over it. So it gets looking like that. Isn't that cool? Yeah. And that was it for the whips. And this is my only finished object right now.
Hello. And this is my baby sister.
Hello, kids. They want to say hello.
Bye-bye.
Little kitty. Mr. Oracle says it's a poncho. It's called a lovey. So, that's my only finished object right now.
Hello.
Hello. Well, I hope you enjoy this. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this little Walmart haul. The little ones are calling for attention. She just woke up. Yeah, that was it, guys.
Mom.
Mama. Mama. Well, remember, be blessed, be brave, and be beautiful, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Yeah.